So, hi everyone. I'm Kalish and I am working as a project manager with Designoweb Technologies for over 3 years now. And today I have with me Tadej, who is one of our most valued clients. And he is in collaboration with us to develop his IoT-based smart lock space application called Navkom. So, Tadej, firstly, it's a pleasure to meet you in person. And I know you very well, but I would like it for our audience, you can give a quick overview of what Navkom is for you and you can give a quick introduction of yourself.
Uh, Navkom is a Slovenian producer of biometric access control, and we are doing this since 2006. And today we are selling our products worldwide, not only Europe, also in some other countries in the world. And at the moment we are developing a new system, and here we are cooperating with your company because we need a new application for smartphones, and I am sure you will do a wonderful job.
Yes, definitely. So, Tadej, if we look back to your initial vision of Navkom, what you had in your mind, how much do you think our current development aligns with your original expectation?
Well, you mean the first
Yes.
version of yeah. Well, first version of the app was done also by some external companies, and unfortunately we didn't have a good experience. And when we started to cooperate with your company, from start we saw that Web Design is a very professional company. You have a good demonstration of your company, so we saw what you are capable. We had a good references, and from on initial meetings we saw that you are asking the right questions, which means that you know what you are doing. And well, I think already now when we saw some alpha versions, we see that we are going in the right direction.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. So, as you know, that the first phase of our project was the design phase,
Yeah.
which I personally feel was the most important for me and the team as well, because this is not just a regular software app. This is a very smart hardware software integration together, IoT-based application. So, do you think that we were able to incorporate your requirements into actual real-world designs?
At the end, yes, but we both, I think, learned something out of it.
True.
On our side, we had to learn how to present our wishes and how to prepare the documentation
Yes.
in order that you are able to understand exactly what we want. So this was some kind of learning phase for both of us, and I think that in 1 month's time
Yeah.
we succeed to clarify most of the questions, and at this moment it is very clear what we want, and I think also your guys they understand what they need to do.
That's great to hear from the perspective of a project manager. So yes, if I talk about my part, communication front. So how much do you think, like at every stage of the project, did you had that clarity in your mind that what's the scope and what should you expect next? So was that clear, or did you think that there are certain feedbacks on that stage?
So now it is clear, absolutely clear. At the beginning, at the very first stage, we also thought that it is clear. Then later we found out that maybe it's not so clear, so we had this learning phase.
Yeah.
And we succeed to prepare the documentation in order to understand it. And now, at this stage, I think there are no open questions.
That means we're clearly learning together. Learning
Yes.
is going together.
Yes,
That's great, Savage. Okay, so at Designoweb, we staunchly believe that there's always a scope of improvement. So if I ask that, in the current development, like in the next phase of the current development, what should we do that could make it a 10 on 10 experience for you?
Well, follow the instructions which we together made, and test a lot, so that we check all the border scenarios. That's, I think, is most important, so that at the end we get very bulletproof
Yes.
products.
That's great, Tadej. So, yeah, for today, that was all from my end. And thank you so much. It's always great to have a conversation with you. And we're looking forward for more such successful collaborations in the future also. So, thank you for joining us today.
Same here.
Thank you so much.